Hey guys! Tara samahan niyo ako. Let's pack rush order with me today here at Pax Korean Van. At alam niyo ba na para sa iisang customer lang ito? Yes, suki ko na si madam. At talaga naman pag nag-message siya, kahit birthday ko pa today. Gusto ko lang naman mag-relax and not take a day off. Pero,
ordered it.
OMG, sino ba hindi makaindi guys sa 30 packs na order? So, here's our behind the scenes. Actually, rush order na ito guys. I need it in 4 hours. So, here's our challenge to us. Nag-order si customer ng 30 packs na lasagna, 10 hacks meal, and that's our Hungarian sausage that I am preparing today, 10 egg tarts, 10 burgers, and also cake. So, talaga namang kukulangin yung oras natin guys kasi freshly prepared ang lahat ng in-order ni ma'am. So here, technically baka hindi, cancel ko muna yung sariling birthday ko at unay ko muna yung birthday ni ma'am. So this is how it's like when you are celebrating birthday for others. Talaga namang hindi ako makaintindi dahil repeat customer ko na si ma'am, and this is her cake. Yan talagang gusto niya bento size and 2 flavors. So we have this cheesecakes and pistachio dream cake for her. So everything guys is freshly prepared. At yung akala kong relax, akala ko lang talaga. Yan guys. So doon talaga tayo guys kung saan tayo magkakapera. So here's for today's video. Everything's prepared and ready for pick up. Sometimes there are blessings in disguise na talagang hindi mo in-expect when you are asking for the best gift that you could ever receive. At binigyan ka pa ni Lord ng book order on your birthday, and this is really the best gift that I've ever received. At least, kesa naman gagastos ako on my birthday, at least naging busy na at kumita pa. And I'll be forever grateful to God for this gift at binigyan niya ako ng book orders on my birthday. At talaga sobrang na-appreciate ko ito guys. And thank you so much for always patronizing my shop, and to everyone who keep on supporting my little business. Thank you so much guys.